Let's learn English through short nail salon conversations. With vocabulary and listening questions. Booking a nail appointment online. Hello, I'd like to make an appointment for a manicure.
Sure, what time would you like to book?
How about tomorrow, around 2 p.m. to 3 p.m.?
Let me check. Yes, we are available at both times.
Great. I'd like to book an appointment at 2 p.m.
Absolutely, I'll send you the link to our online booking system.
Do you need my name and contact details?
Yes, please. Could you give me your full name and phone number?
My name is Anna Green, and my number is 555-1234.
Thank you, Anna. You'll get a confirmation message shortly.
Thank you so much. I'll check my message.
You're welcome. Looking forward to seeing you tomorrow.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Appointment. A scheduled time to meet or do something. Available. Being free or able to accommodate. Confirmation. A statement that something is confirmed or finalized. Your listening question is: what time does the guest want to book the appointment for? Answer: she wants to book the appointment for 2 p.m. tomorrow. Asking about nail styles.
Hello, I'm looking for a nail style that's suitable for the office.
Hi, for the office. I would recommend a simple, elegant style.
Sounds nice. What options do you suggest?
Well, for the color, you can go with neutral colors like beige or soft pink.
That sounds good. I prefer something subtle.
About the style, we can also add a small design if you want a little extra detail.
I like the idea of a thin line.
Sure, I have some pictures here. Have a look.
Amazing. I'll go with the French manicure with the thin line at the tips then.
Perfect. I'll get started on that for you.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Elegant. Simple, stylish, and graceful. Neutral. A color that is not bright or strong, like beige or white. French manicure. A classic nail style with a white tip and nude base. Your listening question is: what nail style does the guest choose? Answer: she chooses the French manicure with a thin line at the tips. Choosing nail colors.
Hi, I want to choose a nail color. Do you have anything lovely for the summer?
Great idea. For summer, bright colors are very nice.
I like bright colors. What do you think is good?
You could try colors like red, orange, or blue. They look great in summer.
I like blue. Is it too bright?
No, blue is a great color for summer. It looks fresh and cool.
Okay, I'll choose blue then.
Great choice. Do you want to add some glitter?
Of course, I can't wait to see how it looks.
I'm sure it will look very good. I'll start now. Let's look at the vocabulary. Bright. A color that is strong and easy to see. Fresh. Clean, cool, and new. Cool. Stylish and good-looking. Your listening question is: what color does the guest choose for their nails? Answer: the guest chooses blue. Taking care of nails. My nails look great. How should I take care of them now?
Thank you. To keep them nice, avoid using your nails to open things.
I see. What about moisturizing?
Yes. Use hand cream and cuticle oil to keep your nails and skin healthy.
Should I wear gloves when washing dishes?
Yes. Wearing gloves will protect your nails from water and chemicals.
How often should I apply the oil?
Apply it every night before bed for the best results.
Okay, I'll do that.
Great! Your nails will stay beautiful if you follow these tips.
Thanks for the advice.
You're welcome. Enjoy your lovely nails.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Moisturize. To make the skin soft by using cream or oil. Cuticle. The skin around the base of the nail. Protect. To keep something safe from harm. Your listening question is: what should the guest do to keep her nails healthy? Answer: she should apply hand cream, cuticle oil, and wear gloves while washing dishes. Asking about nail designs. Hi, my sister's birthday party is coming up. Do you have any nail design suggestions?
Of course, for a family birthday party, I recommend something elegant and sparkly.
I like the idea of sparkly nails. Can you show me some designs?
Sure, we have designs with glitter, rhinestones, or even flowers.
I think I want something with glitter and a pastel color.
That sounds beautiful. We can do a soft pink with silver glitter.
That sounds perfect.
I will start on that for you. It will look very elegant.
I can't wait to see it.
You'll love it.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Pastel. Soft and light colors. Sparkly. Shiny, with lots of small bright lights or colors. Rhinestone. A shiny stone, often used in decorations. Your listening question is: what nail design does the guest want? Answer: the guest wants a soft pink color with silver glitter. Asking about promotions and payment. Hi, I heard there are some holiday promotions. Could you tell me more about them?
Yes, we have a special offer for the holiday season. If you book 2 services, you get 20% off.
That sounds great. Can I use it for both a manicure and a pedicure?
Absolutely. The promotion applies to both.
Perfect. How can I pay for the services?
We accept credit cards, debit cards, and cash.
Can I pay with my credit card?
Yes, of course. We also accept mobile payments.
That's convenient. How much will I need to pay after the discount?
Your total will be $40 after the 20% discount.
Great, I'll pay by card then.
Thank you. I'll process the payment now.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Promotion. A special offer or discount. Debit card. A card used to pay for things, connected to your bank account. Mobile payment. Paying using a phone app or online payment system. Your listening question is: how much will the guest need to pay? Answer: the guest will need to pay $40 after the discount. What is your favorite new word from this video? Share your favorite word in the comments below. Like, follow, and subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons.